Hi friends, in this session we'll start with some numerical based on Kp and Kc. So जो previous session में हमने theoretical part discuss किया था Kp and Kc, उसी के base के ऊपर कुछ numerical available है. So as usual सबसे पहले हम कुछ solved example देखेंगे and उसके बाद we'll start with the end exercise numerical. So let's start with the solved example number 7.1. The following concentrations were obtained for the formation of ammonia from N2 and H2 at equilibrium at 500 Kelvin. N2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar. H2 is 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar. And ammonia is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 molar respectively. Calculate the equilibrium constant. So all the three values are given. Simple, put all this value and you get your answer. So let's start with the 7.1 solved example. And 2 plus 3 mole of H2, you get 2 mole of ammonia. Kc for this reaction is product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. NH3 raised to 2, H2 into N2. So basically all the three concentration are given. N2, H2 and ammonia तीनों के concentration दिए हुए. Put all this value over here. Multiply कीजिए 10 to the power 1 side ले लीजिए and finally you get your answer 1.06 into 10 to the power 3. Let's start with the 7.2. At equilibrium, the concentration of N2 and O2 and NO in a vessel at 800 Kelvin. What will be this Kc for this reaction? So once again तीन चीज है, दो reactant एक product, सभी के concentration दिए हुए हैं. Simple values रखिए, you get your answer. N2 plus O2 gives 2NO. Kc for this reaction is NO square divided by N2 into O2. तीनों के concentration दिए हुए हैं. Simple, put all this value in this equation. Simplify कीजिए, your answer is 0.622. Let's start with the 7.3. PCl5, PCl3 and Cl2 are in equilibrium at 500 Kelvin and having concentration is 1.59 molar PCl3, 1.59 molar Cl2 and 1.41 molar PCl5. Calculate the Kc for this reaction. Once again आपको तीनों के concentration दिए हुए हैं. Equation के अंदर values रखिए, you get your answer. PCl5 gives PCl3 plus Cl2. So Kc is nothing but product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. All the three values are given. That is, you get your answer 1.79. Let's start with the 7.5 last solved example and then we move on to the similar kinds of end exercise numerical. For equilibrium 2NO, Cl gives 2NO plus Cl2. The value of this equilibrium constant, that is Kc, is 3.75 into 10 to the power minus 6 at 1069 Kelvin. Calculate the Kp for this reaction. So here in case we have to use Kp-Kc relationship formula. Kp is equal to Kc into delta RT raised to delta Ng, where delta Ng is nothing but Np minus Nr. वही formula यहाँ पे रखिएगा. And let's start 7.5. 2NOCl gives 2NO plus Cl2. We know that our formula is Kp is equal to Kc RT raised to delta Ng. Now first find out delta Ng. Delta Ng is nothing but Np minus Nr. Np number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. Product में कितने? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So delta Ng is equal to 1. So ये 1 हो गया, तो basically Kp is equal to Kc RT raised to 1. All the values are given. Simplify, simple multiplication कीजिए, you get your answer. Kp is equal to 0.033. So on continuation, Kp Kc के और numerical practice करेंगे from end exercise. Solved example में कुछ numerical देख लिए, अब end exercise की बारी. We'll start with the 7.2. What is the Kc for this following equilibrium when the equilibrium concentration of each substance is, that is SO2, O2 and SO3. Equation is 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. Once again, all the three values are given. Simple Kc के formula के अंदर values रखिए, you get your answer. Let's start with the end exercise 7.2. All the three concentrations are given, that is in given data. Equation 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. Now Kc for this reaction, product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. So what you have 1.90 divided by 0.6 square, 0.82 multiplication में simple multiply कीजिए, divide कीजिए. Your answer is 12.229 liter per mole. Next is 7.3. At certain temperature and total pressure of 10 to the power 5 Pascal, iodine vapor contains 40% by volume. Once again, iodine vapor contains 40% by volume of iodine atom. Calculate the Kp for this equilibrium. So Kp ढूंढना है आपको. So let's start. I2 is equilibrium with 2I. Partial pressure of I atom 40 divided by 100 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 Pascal. That value is nothing but 0.4 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Almost similar, that is partial pressure of I2 molecule is Pi2 is equal to 60 divided by 100 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. Your answer is 0.6 into 10 to the power 5 Pascal. So now we have a two pressure value. Put it into this Kp formula and we get the answer. So Kp is equal to Pi raised to 2 divided by Pi2. So 0.4 into 10 to the power 5 whole square divided by 0.6 into 10 to the power 5. Your answer is 2.67 into 10 to the power plus 4 Pascal. 7.5. 7.5 comprises with two सब न्यूमेरिकल. दो इक्वेशन दिए, दोनों के लिए आपको वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है. फर्स्ट, फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ Kc for each of this following equilibrium from the value of Kp. So आपको Kp की वैल्यू दी हुई है. On the basis of Kp, you have to find out Kc. First, 2NoCl gives 2No plus Cl2. Kp value is given at 500 Kelvin. Second equation, CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. For this Kp is given, that is 167 at 1073 Kelvin. So once again, you are given a Kp value, you have to find out the Kc. So Kp Kc relationship वाला formula यहाँ पे apply करना पड़ेगा. So let's start with the first A. 2NoCl gives 2No plus Cl2. Kp is given 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 2 at 500 Kelvin. Now first, delta Ng, 2 plus 1, that is 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So this is all about your delta Ng. Put this value in Kp Kc relationship. Kp is equal to Kc, RT raised to delta Ng. So Kc is equal to Kp divided by RT raised to delta Ng. Put this value, multiply and divide कीजिए. Your answer is 4.33 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now second statement, CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. Kp for this reaction is 167 at 1073 Kelvin. First step, delta Ng, Np minus Nr. Np 1 plus 1 2 minus Nr 1 is equal to 1. So Kc is equal to Kp by RT. Values रखिए, multiply कीजिए, divide कीजिए. Your answer is 1.87. So दो सब न्यूमेरिकल हो गए एक ही न्यूमेरिकल के अंदर. So next move on to this 7.6. For the following equilibrium, Kc is equal to 6.3 into 10 to the power 14 at 1000 Kelvin. You are given one equation, that is NO plus O3 gives NO2 plus O2. Both the forward and reverse reaction in the equilibrium are elementary biomolecular reaction. What is Kc for this reverse reaction? आप लोगों को रिवर्स रिएक्शन के लिए सिखाया था Kc K dash C is equal to 1 upon Kc. That is for reverse reaction. So for a reverse reaction, first write down the reaction. NO plus O3 gives NO2 plus O2. For a reverse reaction, K dash C is equal to 1 upon Kc is equal to 1 divided by 6.3 into 10 to the power 14. 1 divided by this means your answer is 1.587 into 10 to the power minus 15. So very simple, very easy numerical. रिवर्स रिएक्शन के लिए पूछा है तो ये मैक्सिमम लोगों को याद नहीं आता, दैट इज 1 अपॉन Kc करना है. बहुत ही इजी, बहुत ही सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द 7.9. नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विद Br2 gives nitrosyl bromide as per the following reaction. 2NO plus Br2 gives 2NOBr. When 0.087 mole of NO and 0.0437 mole of Br2 are mixed in a closed containing vessel at constant temperature, 0.0518 mole of NOBr is obtained at equilibrium. Calculate the equilibrium amount of NO and Br2. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इजी न्यूमेरिकल. सिंपल सब्सट्रैक्शन करना है एंड यू गेट योर आंसर. देखिए 2NO plus Br2 gives 2NOBr. You are given a number of moles. NO 0.087, Br2 is 0.0437 and NOBr is 0.0518. Now 0.0518 mole of NOBr is formed. कब बनेगा? When you have 0.087 mole of NO and 0.0437 mole of Br2. So at equilibrium, 0.087 minus 0.518 is equal to 0.0352 mole. This many reactant is unreacted. Second, amount of Br2 is 0.0437 minus 0.0259. सर ये 0.0259 ये कहाँ से आया? जस्ट बिकॉज हियर इन केस यू हैव अ 2 मोल, ये भी 2 मोल है, सो 2:1, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू रिक्वायर्ड हाफ ऑफ दिस. सो इसीलिए इसका हाफ कर लिया है, दैट इज 0.0259. फिर से एक बार समझा रहा हूं. मेक अ 2 कॉमन फॉर दिस रिएक्शन. तो क्या लिखेंगे? 1 मोल इज टू हाफ मोल इज टू 1 मोल. सो अगर ये हाफ मोल है तो ये 1 मोल चाहिए, तो जो अगर ये 1 मोल है तो ये हाफ मोल चाहिए होगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट इज 0.0259. सो 0.0437 माइनस दिस, योर आंसर इज 0.0178 मोल. सिंपल सब्सट्रैक्शन कीजिए एंड यू गेट योर आंसर. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द 7.10. At 450 Kelvin, Kp is 2.0 into 10 to the power 10. This is 2.0 into 10 to the power 10 for a given chemical reaction, that is 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. What is the Kc? Once again, Kp-Kc relationship. You are given a temperature, R key value 0.0831. Put all this value, you get your answer. So 2SO2 plus O2 gives 2SO3. Delta Ng is equal to Np minus Nr, that is 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So Kp is equal to Kc RT raised to delta Ng. Kc is equal to Kp RT raised to 1. Why? Because make a form of Kc. So Kp by RT होगा. Delta Ng की वैल्यू -1 है तो डिनोमिनेटर becomes numerator. So your answer is 2.0 into 10 to the power 10 into 0.0831 multiplied by 450. So final answer is 74.8 into 10 to the power 10 liter per mole. A sample of HI is placed in a flask at a pressure of 0.2 atmosphere. At equilibrium, The partial pressure of HI is 0.04 atmosphere. What is Kp for this given equilibrium? 2HI gives H2 plus I2. So almost all the values are given. Simple, put all this value, your answer is really very easy. So let's start. 2HI gives H2 plus I2. Initial is 0.2. At the time product is dash and dash. At equilibrium 0.04. This is 0.16 divided by 2. 0.16 divided by 2. So this is 0.08. This is 0.08. So decrease in pressure 0.2 minus 0.04 करेंगे क्या मिलेगा 0.16. Simple, put all this value in Kp formula. What actually means by Kp? Kp is nothing but PH2 into I2 divided by PHI raised to 2. Simplify कीजिए 0.08 into 0.08 divided by 0.04 raised to 2. Your answer is 4.0. So this is all about your numerical number 11. Numerical number 12. A mixture of 1.57 mole of N2, 1.92 mole of H2 and 8.13 mole of ammonia. See, all the three concentration means number of mole is given. And introduce into this 20 liter of reaction vessel at 500 Kelvin. At this temperature, the equilibrium constant Kc for this reaction is 1.7 into 10 to the power 2. Is the reaction mixture at equilibrium? Question mark. If not, what are the direction? तो दो चीज पूछी है कि ये रिएक्शन इक्विलिब्रियम पे होगा क्वेश्चन मार्क और दूसरा नहीं होगा तो कौन से डायरेक्शन में होगा रेट ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन या रेट ऑफ बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन. सो गिवन मोल दिया हुआ है, वेसल 20 लीटर दिया हुआ है, केसी दिया हुआ है. लेट्स स्टार्ट न्यूमेरिकल. सबसे पहले गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कीजिए. N2 plus 3 mole of H2, you get 2 mole of ammonia. Number of moles is given 1.57, 1.92, 8.13. Total volume of vessel is 20 liters. So that's why you have to divide by 20, divide by 20, divide by 20. And most important, you are given a Kc is 1.7 into 10 to the power 2. Now first find out the Qc and relate with Kc. Qc and Kc को compare कीजिए and you get your conclusion. So Qc is nothing but NH3 divided by N2 into H2 So 8.13 divided by 20 raised to 2, 1.57 divided by 20, 1.92 divided by 20 raised to 3. सभी का simplification कीजिए and finally you get your 2394.20, that is 2.4 into 10 to the power 3. As Qc is not equal to Kc, so reaction is not in equilibrium. तो अगर ये रिएक्शन इक्विलिब्रियम में नहीं है तो कौन से डायरेक्शन में है? So as Qc is greater than Kc, the net reaction will be in backward direction. So कैसे पता चला? Kc की वैल्यू दी हुई है गिवन डेटा में, that is 1.7 into 10 to the power 2. So obviously it is smaller than 2.4 into 10 to the power 3, and due to this reaction carried out in backward reaction. So this is all about your numerical first session. अभी और Kp Kc के न्यूमेरिकल बाकी है. कंटिन्यूएशन में नेक्स्ट सेशन में आगे बढ़ेंगे एंड एक्सरसाइज एज वेल एज सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल के कुछ न्यूमेरिकल. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर टुडे सेशन. थैंक यू.